traders, Carolina Lizan here, graduate student of the Grok mentoring program. It is Tuesday, October 4th of 2011, and we are looking at our Q's pretty chart, and what a wonderful day on the markets on Wall Street here today. We are gapping down this morning here on the Q's, beautifully testing that lower area of support that we talked about yesterday, which was at the 50-53 mark, and then we are finishing the day higher, testing another area, but this time an area of resistance right here that you see here in pink, and it is at about the 52.30 mark. So we are stuck between two major areas. First of all, the area of support down here, the 50-53 mark, as well as the area of resistance right here at the 52.30. So pay close attention to the 52.30 here again tomorrow, because it's a significant area of resistance. And check this out. We are having that huge update here on the markets and on the Qs today on a pretty nice volume. I really like the volume. I really like the update here on a pretty decent volume. Volume is way above the average, so that's good. But still, check this out. The MACD is still down below the zero line, which means that we are still bearish according to the MACD. But the thing here is that the MACD is slowing down a little bit here. Okay, so we could still go one way or the other. We could try to push it all the way up to, I would like to see it going all the way up to that 8 moving average, which you see here in green. And then I would also like it to pull back down again, forming another leg down if we ever get one, breaking through the low of today, which is at the 50.10 mark. So that is our here nearest future, but at least we have an idea of what could happen in here. So again, I'd really like to see it going all the way up to that 8 moving average, breaking through the 52.30, as well as that next area of resistance and the way up here, the 52.75 mark, and then finally getting all the way up to the 8 moving average, which is at about 53.48 mark. So that is what I would really like to see. But the other thing that I would really love to see happening on the MACD is that we would need to turn north on the MACD, pointing towards the zero line and finally crossing over to the positive side of things. So I would like to see the MACD going and crossing the zero line and entering into a bullish territory. So I would like to see the MACD being above the zero line if we ever get bullish. But right now things are still looking bearish. We're still in a downtrend according to our candlestick formation, because we are still making lower highs and the lower lows. Even though we had that big update here today, we still made that lower high and a lower low, which means that we're still in a downtrend. So be real careful, again, trading in that environment. So that is what I see here for today. And again, watch this area of resistance right here, the 52.30 mark, as well as that next area of resistance up here, the 52.74, 52.75 mark. And then also pay close attention to the low of today, which was at the 50.10 mark. So if we ever break through the low of today, we would be really in trouble. So we could continue lower to the next area of support down here, the 50, let's see what it is, the 49.64 mark, and then the next down below would be at the 48.82. So at least you have some areas of support to pay close attention to if we ever continue lower, and also some areas of resistance on our way up if we ever go higher. And also pay close attention to the MACD to look for confirmation, and also keep an eye on the volume. Alright, so hope it helps you, and trade well.